Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So it is almost Easter. I got these cool white plastic eggs from actually from Walmart last year, and I like them because they're obviously light, but they're like a solid white, not the plastic with the, you know, that goes into the two parts. And I think it was like $2.50 or something. Unfortunately, I forgot the brand, but if you just Google it, I found that they have them at like Target, Hobby Lobby, Oriental Trading Co. They came with these liquid dyes, which I'm not going to use because I'm going to do the acrylic pouring. Whoa, hey now. And I put them on pins. Let's see which one's easier. Just like push pins. I shoved that down into this foam, and then I poked a little hole in them and put it on here. So that was kind of, oh, now let's see if I can put it back. Yeah, that was the best way I could think of to do it. It's not like super stable or anything, but it works, and I didn't have to like go out and buy anything. So I'm going to use this leftover paint that I have from yesterday, and I'm going to add just a little white and blue to it. The paint I used yesterday was some Deco Art paint. And I don't think these will take a lot of paint. So I'm kind of thinking that that should probably be fine. But who knows? Never done this. I just kind of thought it'd be, well, A, unique, and then B, we'd have eggs that we could keep and use kind of year after year to hide them, instead of doing the whole boiling eggs and dyeing them kind of thing. Ooh, all right. That looks cool, but I'm about to pour over it. So, anyways, if this experiment is successful, I may do a whole bunch, different colors. I thought I'd give it a go so you guys don't have to. There's some glitter paint in here too, which I think will actually look pretty cool on here. As always, the issue is making sure that we get full coverage. So I'm going to actually go in here and just kind of help the paint start to flow over some of the empty spots. Which actually I got pretty good coverage here, surprisingly. All right, almost there. Gonna put a little more over here. And I think this one's just about fully covered. So currently these look great. We're obviously, we gotta see how they look when they dry. So I think I'm gonna leave them as is. Let's go ahead and do a quick close-up of how they look now. So this is how they look right now. Right now they look super awesome. So we'll see how they continue to move and how they dry. Should be dry probably by like tomorrow. So we'll come back and see how they look tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're back. These are now dry, and they look pretty awesome. And I got much smarter and put a toothpick here. So that's actually better, because with these, they were just too short. It was sitting on the styrofoam. So these are super cool, and I think what I'm going to do is just put a little layer of resin on these, just to make them more durable. So I'm using the Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat, and we're just going to put, we would probably need very little. It is going to pretty much all run off there. But we're going to just, take it, and I'm going to use my hand just to get basically just a thin layer. So this is just a real thin protective layer, just so that it's nice and glossy. Like, look how that immediately brings out the gloss. Okay, these are going to be awesome. All right, that's one down. This one has a lot more purple in it. Very pretty. Okay. Whoop, there goes our toothpick. All right, so now that these are both covered with the resin, once again, we'll leave them here to dry, and then we'll come back when they're all dry, and we will see how they look and do our final video. All right, guys, we're back. The eggs are all dry, and they came out beautifully. Look at that. Nice and glossy. Yeah, I think this was a great idea. I think these will last quite a long time. I think they look great. And they were really easy to make. You can do any colors you want. There you go. I guess that about wraps it up for us. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you try this out and make some of your own awesome Easter eggs. And I will see you guys next time.